Call me dependent, is that so bad? To lean on something, giving you a helping hand. Call me addicted, just means I have something I love that doesn't love me back. 'Cause I can't deal with this headache, it's harder to disguise. Can't bear all the hunger, it's never satisfied. So pour me a cup of coffee, I'll be alright. Yeah, pour me a cup of coffee, I'll be alright. Call it a pattern, yes, I like knowing what's next. What's around the corner, is it something I guess? All my behavior's exactly what you expect. Over and over, till I'm left with regret. Can't escape procrastination, I can run but I can't hide. Can't stop my temptations, no matter how I try. So pour me a cup of coffee, I'll be alright. Yeah, pour me a cup of coffee, I'll be alright. Maybe I should find another way that doesn't mess with my mind. Eyes are growing heavy day by day, and it gets harder with time. 'Cause I can't deal with this headache, it's harder to disguise. Can't bear all